In this video, we'll be going over 15 different work evaluation goals that you can set for yourself to increase productivity in the workplace. Hey everyone, in this video, we'll be discussing work evaluation goals and how they can help boost productivity in the workplace. Now, setting these goals is essential to getting the most out of your job, but it's important to tailor them to fit your specific needs. So sit back, relax, and let's get started with our list of goals. 1. Motivation. Maintaining high levels of productivity and performance need motivation on a consistent basis. If you are able to identify what it is that drives you to do exceptional work, you'll find it simpler to sustain your performance even while under duress. A vital component of success in any undertaking is motivation. It helps you maintain high levels of productivity and performance, even during times when you feel overwhelmed or tired. When you know what motivates you to do your best work, you can use that knowledge to keep your performance at a top level. Some people get motivated because they feel like they've done a good job or are proud of what they've done. Others are driven by the gratification of helping others or changing the world. Still, some people get ideas from the challenges of their work. Whatever your source of motivation, harnessing it can help you retain your edge and achieve your goals. 2. Organization. Personal organization goals, such as keeping a calendar or a list of things to do to increase one's productivity and efficiency, as well as team-based organizational goals, can be considered organizational objectives. Organizational goals can be personal or team-based. Examples of personal organization goals include maintaining a calendar or to-do list to improve productivity and efficiency. Organizing one's personal space can also be an important goal. When it comes to team-based organization, effective communication and collaboration are key. Organizations may set goals related to improving team communication, streamlining workflow, or developing better systems for managing projects. Organizational goals can vary depending on the needs of the individual or team, but the aim is always to improve efficiency and productivity. 3. Productivity. Goals for productivity are often job-specific and are devised to assist you in meeting or exceeding your expectations in the workplace. Typically, productivity objectives are meant to help you achieve or surpass your employer's expectations. For example, if you're in sales, your productivity goal might be to increase the number of leads you generate each week. Productivity goals can also be related to the quality of your work, such as completing a project to a high standard within a certain time frame. Regardless of the nature of your productivity objectives, they must be smart, precise, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-bound. You may use this to keep tabs on your development and determine whether you're on pace to meet your objective. By setting and achieving productivity goals, you can improve your work performance and contribute positively to your company's bottom line. 4. Efficiency. In order to achieve efficiency, it is important to reduce or eliminate mistakes and to operate as intelligently as possible. The characteristics of your position might influence the kinds of efficiency targets you set for yourself. Efficiency goals are an important part of any professional's development plan. By focusing on eliminating errors and working as smartly as possible, efficiency goals help individuals to improve their productivity and effectiveness. Depending on your function, your efficiency objectives may differ. But some common examples include writing for 2 hours each day without responding to any incoming messages or taking a set number of breaks during the workday. Efficiency objectives ultimately aim to increase productivity. You may increase your productivity by taking the time to create and implement these goals. 5. Education. Traditional education objectives, such as receiving a degree, and professional development goals, such as attending seminars or conferences, are both examples of possible educational goals. Your firm is frequently able to contribute to the funding of such projects. For example, if your goal is to earn a certification in bookkeeping, your company may be willing to cover the cost of the coursework. Similarly, if you want to attend a conference on new developments in your field, your company may offer to pay for your travel and registration fees. By taking advantage of your company's educational benefits, you can help further your career while also meeting your personal goals. 6. Communication. Your proficiency in talking to both employees and customers may be improved with the aid of communication objectives. Effective communication is the backbone of every productive group. In order to make sure everyone is on the same level and comprehends the information that must be shared, it is helpful to establish clear objectives. Communication objectives can also assist you in identifying areas for improvement in communication. By setting goals for communication, you can improve your communication with others and make your organization more successful. 7. Problem solving. Employees are better able to spot and deal with problems effectively to issues in the workplace when they possess problem-solving abilities. Any worker who wishes to successfully recognize and handle problems in the workplace must develop their problem-solving abilities. There are a variety of problem-solving best practices that can be learned in seminars, workshops, and other professional development opportunities. Some of these best practices include setting goals, breaking down problems into smaller pieces, and brainstorming possible solutions. By learning these problem-solving skills, employees will be better equipped to handle the challenges that they face in the workplace. 8. Documentation. Documentation goals are fantastic for roles in which having a detailed accounting of actions is essential. Quite frequently, improvement in note-taking and increased information exchange with other stakeholders are included as objectives in documentation goals. In positions where meticulous record-keeping is required, documentation objectives are ideal. Documentation goals help to ensure that all relevant information is captured and shared in a clear and concise manner. They are also useful for facilitating better teamwork and dialogue. It is possible to tailor documentation objectives to meet the requirements of every group or individual. The target audience and the sort of material being documented should both be taken into account when establishing objectives. To generate successful products and services, companies must consider documentation goals that are tailored to their specific needs and objectives. 9. Leadership. Both present leaders and those who aspire to take on leadership roles can benefit from setting leadership objectives, which will help them hone their management abilities. Leadership goals usually fall into 3 categories: improving communication, developing team-building skills, and increasing efficiency. By setting goals in these areas, leaders can work to improve their abilities and better motivate and inspire their employees. Aspiring leaders can benefit from leadership goals by using them as a roadmap to success. By taking the time to develop specific goals, they can increase their chances of becoming an effective leader. No matter your status as a leader now or in the future, setting leadership goals is an essential part of becoming a successful manager. 10. Attendance. Setting attendance objectives might help you cut down on instances of absence and boost the reliability of your job performance. If you are frequently absent from work, your boss or manager may suggest that you set this kind of objective for yourself. Making an effort to meet attendance targets might help you become more reliable in the workplace and cut down on your absence. Attendance goals help you to be more punctual and present at work, which is essential for your job performance. Setting and working toward attendance targets also aids in the cultivation of time management abilities. If you are absent from work frequently, you may have difficulty meeting deadlines. Missing work can also lead to a loss of productivity for your team or department. Attendance goals can help you to avoid these negative consequences by encouraging you to be more punctual and present at work. One further way that setting an attendance target might improve your outlook on the job is by encouraging you to be there more often. If you are frequently absent, you may begin to view work as a chore. Attendance goals can help you to see work as a responsibility that you need to fulfill. Attendance goals can also help you to develop a sense of pride in your work. You may begin to doubt the significance of your contributions if you are frequently absent from work. Attendance goals can help you to see the value in your work and can help you to take pride in your accomplishments. Meeting attendance goals can also help you to earn trust and respect from your supervisor or manager. If you are frequently absent, your supervisor or manager may question your commitment to your job. Attendance goals can help you to demonstrate your dedication to your job and can help you to earn trust and respect from your supervisor or manager. 11. Time management. You may increase your efficiency and output at work by establishing goals related to time management. Time management goals are designed to help you reduce wasted time at work and increase your overall efficiency and productivity. Establishing such a target may come at the suggestion of your boss or supervisor. Several things amount of time for each task you need to complete during the day. Then stick to that schedule. Another option is to track how long you spend on each task over the course of a week or month, and then look for ways to trim down those times. Time management goals can be challenging to stick to, but the payoff in terms of increased productivity is well worth the effort. 12. Revenue. Those in the sales and marketing sectors, whose positions directly affect the amount of revenue produced by the organization, are more likely to have revenue objectives as part of their work responsibilities. Salespeople and marketers, whose work directly affects the company's income, are the most likely to have revenue targets. It's possible to establish them for a single person or for a whole team. Setting and achieving sales targets is critical for every business that wants to succeed and expand. Without revenue goals, it would be difficult to measure the success of a sales or marketing team. Goals for increased revenue are a great way to boost morale in the workplace. If an employee knows that their job performance is directly impacting the company's bottom line, they'll be more compelled to give it their all and provide quality results. Revenue goals are an essential part of any business, and those in the sales and marketing field should be aware of them. 13. Budgeting. Those who manage budgets or have a direct effect on the spending of departments or organizations can benefit greatly from setting budgeting objectives for themselves. By having budgeting goals, individuals and organizations can ensure that they are allocating their resources in the most efficient way possible. Additionally, by setting budgeting goals, individuals and organizations can hold themselves accountable for their spending. Budgeting goals can help to both save money and improve organizational efficiency. Consequently, budgeting goals are a valuable tool for those who manage budgets or have a direct impact on departmental or organizational spending. 14. Cost reduction. Cost reduction objectives, like budgeting goals, are best suited for people who work in finance or leadership roles within a company and who have direct influence over how much money is spent. Cost reduction goals involve finding ways to reduce the organization's spending in order to save money. Cost reduction goals are different from budgeting goals in that they focus on reducing the overall amount of money that the organization spends, rather than on reducing the amount of money that individual departments or employees spend. Cost reduction goals are important for organizations because they can help to improve the organization's financial health and bottom line. In spite of the difficulty, setting and meeting cost-cutting targets is crucial to improving a company's bottom line. 15. Process improvement. The term process improvement refers to the act of refining a method to achieve the highest possible levels of effectiveness and results. This is a typical goal for staff with leadership or middle management responsibilities who are in charge of a team or group that could benefit from this special talent. Process improvement is an essential skill for anyone looking to optimize efficiency and productivity in the workplace. By streamlining procedures and maximizing resources, employees can see a significant increase in performance. Process improvement is especially beneficial for those in leadership positions, as they are typically responsible for overseeing a team or group. By fine-tuning processes, they can ensure their team is operating at peak efficiency and meeting all goals. Process improvement is a complex process, but the rewards can be immense. Those who learn to master this skill will find themselves well-positioned for success in any organization. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for new videos every week.